do a couple more examples of the area model as opposed to the array. The array, it's very straightforward like I did in the last example, but here's another example of the area model. It's going to be faster, and I'm just going to kind of think aloud so that I can explain to you how this is supposed to be solved. So first what we're going to do is we're going to start with a problem like 74 divided by 6. And really all the kids are going to get is a box. The divisor always goes on the left. And now I'm thinking of how I can break 74 into numbers that are easy to find factors with 6. So I know that 6 times 10 is 60. And that gives me a bulk of my 74. But now since I have 60, I need to know 60 plus what gets me to 74. So I know that 60 plus 14 gives me 74. So now I'm going to think, what factors of 14, or a number close to 14, are divisible by 6? Well, I know that 6 times 2 is going to give me 12, and that's probably as close as I'm going to get to 14 without going over. Okay? So now what I've done is I have 6 times 10 is 60, times 2 is 12. And here I've only got 72, but I'm trying to get to 74. So I'm missing 2. I need to add 2 to this to give me 74. So this is my remainder, okay? And my answer is actually right here. 10 plus 2 is 12 with a remainder of 2. So this would be written 12 remainder 2. If I look at another example, such as 83 divided by 4, again, I start with a box and I think of friendly numbers first. So I know that 4 is over here and I'm trying to get to 83. So I know 4 times 20 gives me 80. That gives me the bulk of my number without going over. But then I can't really add another group of 4, because if I add another group of 4, I'm going to have gone over. And I can't go over in division. It's like saying I've got 83 apples and I'm going to split them into 21 groups. Well, I can't split them into 21 groups because I'd be short apples. Okay, so this one, I'm actually not going to use this box at all, because right here I have 80. Another group of 4 would put me over. So in order to get to 83, I need to add 3, making 3 my remainder. So my answer here is 20 with a remainder of 3. Okay, starting on Tuesday or Wednesday, we're going to start going into what's called partial quotients. I'll do another video just like this for tomorrow. Partial quotients is going to look a lot more like long division. This is how we're getting them to conceptualize the math first so that the steps of long division and partial quotients make sense. Please email me if you have any more questions, and I'd love to help you out.